A Delhi trial court has remanded Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to the ED custody till Monday. The Enforcement Directorate, which arrested Kejriwal last week in connection with the Delhi liquor policy probe, had sought custody for 7 days. Addressing the court in person, Kejriwal accused the ED of extortion. Ashmit joins us now with the latest. Ashmit, so Kejriwal, the custody extended now till the 1st of April. But interestingly, the court giving him a chance to speak and address the court. Take us through the key points made by Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, a slightly unusual day at the Rouse Avenue Court right behind me, not only because a sitting chief minister is being produced by the AD only for the second time, that was not it, but that sitting chief minister, Arvind Kejriwal, decided to address the court, and this was allowed by the special CBI judge. He was allowed about 10 to 12 minutes, and he decided to make the best possible use of that by essentially arguing on behalf of himself. He made 3 key points. Number one, the point that he argued is that there has been no evidence that has been shown by the Enforcement Directorate so far. As many as 25,000 pages of submissions have been made by the ED, but there's not one piece of evidence of the money trail, of this proof of crime that has been submitted before the ED. There's no shred of evidence. That was one. Second, he said the modus operandi that has been followed by the ED is to arrest an accused, subsequently put that accused under pressure by refusing bail, by ensuring that he remains in custody, and then subsequently turning a prover, and that this has been the basis of retrieving 4 statements against him, and that these statements are the mere basis of arresting a sitting chief minister. That's number 2. Third, he also lashed out at the BJP, saying that the real liquor scam began, in fact, after the Enforcement Directorate began its investigation in 2022. He argued that there is a case, like in the instance of Sarath Reddy, who was arrested in 2022, released in 2023, and after that he was found to have issued electoral bonds to the BJP, and said that this was, in fact, the real liquor scam, that the smokescreen that the ED has provided has allowed for this extortion scheme, and that this is what needs to be investigated. So on the basis of these submissions, it was rebutted by the Enforcement Directorate. But for now, in the wisdom of the special CBI judge, the remand has been extended by 4 more days. He'll be produced once again on the 1st of April before the Rouse Avenue Court, and that's when perhaps we'll begin to get more clarity on the way forward and whether or not Arvind Kejriwal decides to address the court once again.
All right, Ashmit, appreciate you joining us. Now, more than 600 lawyers have